Well, we got a little project going today. A friend of mine got him a homemade corn grinder, and the metal here is a little bit too thin. It wants to bow apart when he's trying to grind his corn, and we might have to put another bead or two of weld on there to build that up where it'll grind a little finer. But we're gonna cut all this out and take that piece of angle iron and put in here to stiffen that up where it won't bow when he's grinding his corn. So I'll turn the camera back on when I start getting some of this stuff cut out of it and start laying it out. I put these pieces here is that big angle iron. Let's see if I can turn it over where y'all see it. So I don't think that's going to bend as the corn comes through it. You can see the little gap there. It ought to crush the corn pretty fine. That's about 4-inch angle iron, probably 1/4 inch thick. He's gonna. That's why plasma could grind, but it ain't gonna make no difference. We ain't gonna spend a lot of time on, making it look great. So, yeah. Hey, come get it this evening, take it home and try it. We'll see how it does.